Welcome to Iguazu Falls, one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders in the world, located on the border of Argentina's Misiones province and Brazil's Parana state. This incredible waterfall system is not just a sight to behold but a symbol of the raw beauty and power of nature, dividing the mighty Iguazu River into its upper and lower sections. The name Iguazu comes from the indigenous Guarani language, Wai meaning water and Wesu meaning big. And big it is. This is the largest waterfall system on Earth. Legend has it that the falls were created by a deity, who in anger sliced the river to punish a young woman named Naipi and her lover Taroba. Their eternal fall down the cascade remains a hauntingly beautiful symbol of love and nature's fury. First recorded by Spanish conquistador Álvar Núñez Cabeza de Vaca in 1541, Iguazu Falls has since been celebrated worldwide, becoming a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984, Argentina, and 1986, Brazil, with an exceptional universal value recognition in 2013. Standing at the heart of the falls, the river flows from its source near Curitiba, Brazil. Mostly through Brazil, yet it's Argentina that holds the lion's share of the spectacle, with nearly 80% of the waterfalls on its side. Among these, the most famous and dramatic drop is the Devil's Throat, Garganta del Diablo, a U-shaped canyon where half of the river's water plunges in a thundering 82-meter drop. This sheer power and beauty are unparalleled. The falls consist of over 275 individual cascades that vary in height from 60 to 82 meters, depending on the water level, and are spread over 2.7 kilometers of rocky cliffs. San Martin, Adam and Eva, Panoni, and Bergano are among the major named falls. The system itself forms a magnificent reversed letter J, with the Argentina-Brazil border running through the Devil's Throat. Brazil holds more than 95% of the river basin but has only about 20% of the actual falls, leaving Argentina with the majority of the show. Visitors can access this wonder from three towns: Foz do Iguaçu, Brazil; Porto Iguazu, Argentina; and Ciudad del Este, Paraguay. Both Foz do Iguaçu and Porto Iguazu are bustling tourist hubs, each with airports offering direct flights from major cities like Buenos Aires and Rio de Janeiro. While both Argentina and Brazil offer their own unique views of the falls, it's Porto Iguazu that gives you the up-close, personal experience with the Devil's Throat near the rainforest in July. This scenic ride leads to several viewpoints, including walkways that bring you directly above the falls, offering jaw-dropping perspectives. The Brazilian side provides breathtaking panoramic views of the entire falls system, with walkways extending to the base of Devil's Throat for an equally thrilling perspective. Brazil also offers helicopter rides for aerial views, although these are prohibited on the Argentine side due to environmental concerns. The falls are surrounded by two national parks, Argentina's Iguazu National Park and Brazil's Iguazu National Park, both of which were established in the 1930s. These parks are rich ecosystems, home to hundreds of species of plants and animals, some found only in this region. Visiting the falls supports the conservation efforts of these parks, which have been drawing millions of tourists for decades. The Iguazu Falls are often compared to other world-famous waterfalls, like Victoria Falls in southern Africa and Niagara Falls in North America. While Victoria Falls boasts the largest continuous curtain of water, Iguazu is wider overall, featuring distinct individual waterfalls separated by lush islands. Niagara, though iconic, is dwarfed by Iguazu in height and width. Upon seeing the falls, even Eleanor Roosevelt famously remarked, "For Niagara." Iguazu's greatest recorded flow was a staggering 45,700 cubic meters per second in 2014, significantly larger than Niagara's flow. As you explore the falls, you'll find yourself immersed not only in their grandeur but in the vibrant subtropical climate that surrounds them. The best time to visit is during the wet season, from December to February, when the falls are at their most powerful, though the parks remain beautiful year-round. On rare occasions, droughts can reduce the flow, as occurred in 2006, but such events are temporary. Iguazu Falls has shaped local economies, with tourism playing a key role in the development of Porto Iguazu and Foz do Iguaçu. The falls also serve as a crossroads of three nations, Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay, where visitors can take in the sight of three borders converging, whether you're gazing at the awe-inspiring Devil's Throat, exploring the trails across the jungle, or simply soaking in the mist and majesty of these ancient waters. Iguazu Falls is more than a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. Beyond the sheer spectacle of the falls themselves, Iguazu offers much more to explore. The region's biodiversity is among the most impressive in South America. Both the Iguazu National Park, Argentina, and Iguazu National Park, Brazil, form part of the Atlantic Forest, one of the most threatened ecosystems in the world. This lush, subtropical rainforest is a haven for wildlife, housing over 2,000 species of plants, 400 bird species, and a diverse range of mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Notable inhabitants of the park include the jaguar, Panther alba, one of the largest and most elusive cats in the Americas, and the giant otter, both of which are endangered. You might also spot the colorful toucan, the red brocket deer, or the stealthy ocelot as you make your way through the jungle paths. For bird lovers, the park is a paradise, home to species like the great dusky swift, which nests behind the waterfalls, darting in and out of the powerful mist. The importance of this ecosystem cannot be overstated. It acts as a key conservation site for many rare and endangered species, and efforts are continuously being made to protect its delicate balance from human impact. Visiting Iguazu Falls, whether on the Argentine or Brazilian side, means not just witnessing natural beauty but contributing to ongoing conservation work that safeguards this critical habitat for future generations. For adventurers, there are many ways to experience Iguazu beyond traditional sightseeing. Boat tours, particularly the exhilarating Gran Aventura boat ride on the Argentine side, take thrill seekers right into the heart of the falls, offering a close encounter with the roaring water and a guaranteed soaking. For a more tranquil experience, you can explore the network of hiking trails on both sides of the park. The Argentine side is known for its more extensive trail system, including the Upper Circuit, Lower Circuit, and Devil's Throat Circuit, each offering different vantage points and experiences of the falls. The Macuco Safari, on the Brazilian side, provides a combination of a jungle jeep tour and a boat trip, giving you a chance to immerse yourself in the rainforest before experiencing the power of the falls up close. Helicopter tours are also available for those wanting to see the full extent of the falls from above, an unforgettable perspective of this natural wonder. Although only accessible from the Brazilian side, Iguazu Falls isn't just a tourist destination, it's a cultural and historical landmark. The surrounding region has been home to indigenous Guarani people for centuries, long before the arrival of European explorers. The Guarani's deep connection with nature is reflected in the mythology of the falls, and today, their influence can still be felt in the local culture. Visitors can learn more about the Guarani culture by visiting nearby villages, where traditional crafts, music, and stories offer insight into their way of life. For those interested in the cultural aspects of Iguazu, the nearby town of Porto Iguazu offers a variety of museums and cultural centers. The Mboror Museum is a great place to learn about the indigenous history of the region, while the Iguazu Falls Interpretation Center provides deeper insights into the geological and ecological significance of the falls. In addition to its natural wonders, Iguazu has become a symbol of international cooperation between Argentina and Brazil. Despite being located on the border between two countries, the falls are managed in a way that encourages joint preservation efforts and shared tourism benefits. This collaboration has turned the Iguazu area into one of the most important tourism destinations in South America, with over 1 million visitors each year. Infrastructure in both Porto Iguazu and Foz do Iguaçu is designed to cater to this influx, offering a wide range of accommodations from luxury resorts to eco-friendly lodges nestled in the jungle. Ecotourism has become a vital part of the Iguazu experience. Both national parks are committed to sustainable tourism practices, ensuring that visitors can enjoy the natural beauty of the falls without compromising the environment. The parks offer eco-friendly lodging options, guided tours that emphasize conservation, and visitor centers that educate guests about the importance of protecting the ecosystem. For those with a love for photography, Iguazu Falls offers some of the most photogenic landscapes imaginable. Sunrise and sunset provide the best lighting conditions, casting a golden glow over the misty cascades. Wildlife photographers will also find ample opportunities to capture the region's rich fauna, from the vibrant colors of parrots and toucans to the playful antics of coatis, which roam the park's trails. No matter the time of year you visit, Iguazu Falls promises an experience like no other. In the dry season, June to August, the falls are more accessible, and the water's force is still breathtaking. In the wet season, December to February, the falls become even more powerful, with larger volumes of water pouring over the edge, creating a dramatic display of nature's might. Finally, for travelers seeking to extend their adventure, the Iguazu area offers easy access to other South American destinations. The nearby Itaipu Dam, the largest hydroelectric power plant in the world, is a marvel of modern engineering and just a short drive from the falls. Alternatively, the Jesuit missions of San Ignacio, located in Argentina's Misiones province, provide a historical exploration of the region's colonial past. In short, a visit to Iguazu Falls is not just a journey to one of the world's most beautiful waterfalls but an immersion into a unique intersection of culture, history, and nature. Whether you're here for the adventure, the photography, the wildlife, or simply to marvel at the wonder of it all, Iguazu Falls will leave an indelible mark on your heart.